Hello, this is Fendi from SIPUXIN Machinery, a manufacturer for cosmetic, food, chemistry producing machine. Okay, now let's introduce this 4 explosion proof dispersing mixing tank. This tank are 100 liter, 200 liter, 500 liter and 1000 liter. Okay, now I will introduce this 100 liter tank. First, you can see this lip. This is the stainless steel main hole. You can see, and this is glass window on the top. You can from this to see the tank inside clearly. And this is raw material inlaid. The materials can through inside from this valve. And this is the little material inlaid. Some little materials can through it in the tank. This is the air brace valve. It can ensure the air pressure. It can ensure the inside and outside air pressure between the same. And this is the air, and this is the CIP cleaning bowl. You can see from it. The people can use the cleaning water from this to clean the whole tank. And this is the air pressure gauge. You can know the air pressure. This is air inlet valve. The pressure air can through it in the tank and to put the finished product to come out more easily. Also, we used this motor, international famous Siemens explosion-proof motor. Now let me show you the whole tank. This tank have 3 layers. In layer to connect the material. The middle layer for heating and cooling, and the outside layer to protect the whole tank. Inside, we can see the dispersing mixer connected with a flange to ensure the tank more sealing. And on the bottle, you can see this discharge outlet for valve control. Beside it is the electrical heating bar for the whole tank heating. This is the water inlet into the middle jacket, where the heating water and the cooling water can enter the middle jacket from this, and outside from this. Also, we use the strong legs and the whole wheels, so you can move this tank to anywhere you want to And then if you want, we can equip this rotary pump for you. This pump can transfer the materials into the tank, and then when the materials finished, this pump can also suck the finished product into this filter for filtration, inlet and outlet. This whole was a finished product. Okay, now I will introduce this control panel. You can see we use the explosion-proof electrical box, button, gauge, and also the electrical wipe. We used the explosion-proof materials to protect it. Okay, now let's open this box. You can see we use the international famous Schneider electric and ABB frequency. These are the components. Okay, let's show you the box surface. This three-phase light to show you the machine now are working, and this is the electrical power switch and socket. When these are connected, the whole machine can be used. These two are dispersing switch and heating switch. If you want to use the dispersing and heating, you must to turn on this button and this button. This is dispersing on. This is dispersing off. This is heating on. This is heating off. This is emergency stop. If the tank have some problems, you want to push this button so the whole tank can be stopped. And if you want to adjust the mixing speed, you can adjust this button and refer to this display. Mixing speed can adjust from 0 to 1440 speed RPM. Okay, now let's show you how to use this tank. Okay, now let's show you how to use this tank. Dispersing on. Adjust the speed. Adjust the speed. Okay, dispersing off. Okay, these are whole details about this 100-liter dispersing mixing tank. And also, these three other dispersing mixing tanks details and functions are the same with 100-liter. And later, I will to show you these three tanks. This is a 200-liter tank. You can see the details. And this tank only without heating function. Other functions are the same. Okay, now turn on the dispersing. Turn off the dispersing. This tank is a 500 liter dispersing mixing tank. Okay, dispersing turn on. Adjust the speed. Turn off dispersing. This is a 1000 liter dispersing mixing tank. You can see the details. Dispersing turn on. Adjust the speed. Okay, dispersing turn off. These are the whole details about the 4 explosion-proof dispersing mixing tank. Welcome to choose our SIPUXIN machinery, a manufacturer with. Okay, these are the all details about this 4 explosion-proof dispersing mixing tank. Welcome to choose our SIPUXIN machinery. 23 years manufacturing for cosmetic, food, chemistry, producing machine.